Hey everyone, this is Ram and I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Friend, this is the day 5 of Learn English with me. Friends, if you want to learn English speaking and you want to improve your communication skill, then you have to must visit my channel and also this video. Friends, before this starting of day 5 video, I want to tell you something. Before the 30 days ago, I started a 10 days English speaking series. That was my beginning English speaking series challenge. That was I completed that series before 8 days ago. When I was started that series, I could not speak properly, and now this time I can speak quite big, not quite good English. Now this time you can see my English is quite good, not bad, but this time is like sometimes थोड़ा सा good, थोड़ा सा तो अच्छा ही है. If you are a beginner, then you have must visit my starting say from day 1 to day 10 day English speaking series. In that video I don't cut my any part of my mistake. If I will cut any part of mistake in that video, then why I learn anything from the mistake. If you want to improve your English speaking, then you have to day by daily practice and you have to day by daily mistake. If you will mistake while speaking English, then you can see means then you will see in your English speaking your English is becoming a quite good now this time. Friends, if you are from your village and you have no environment to speak English, and then you thought how to speak English and how to improve your communication skill, then you have to obey my one thing that I want to tell you. If you have no any friend, if you have no any partner to speak English with you and practice English, then you have to day by daily practice in front of your mirror. If you day by daily practice in front of your mirror, then you can see and you will see your English will quite good and your English is become a good. While you improve means your communication skill, then you have to see your English is becoming good. And while you met to anyone, then your language is so high on that person. If you want to improve your communication skill, then you have to try this method. If you try this method, then you can also improve your body language. If your body language is a good, then your English language also become a good. That's why English speaking is equal to बॉडी बिल्डिंग स्पीड. मीन्स यदि आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज सही हो गई तो आपकी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी, और अगर आपकी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग अच्छी होगी तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी अच्छी हो जाएगी. सो फ्रेंड्स, यू मस्ट विजिट माई इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग 10 day series, and now this is the day 5 of learn English with me, and you have to try this method. If you try this method, then you can see you will have to speak in front of people, in front of camera very properly. I have no friends, I have no partner, I have no any type of application to learn or teach me English speaking like a good teacher or any material. Then I am trying here day by daily. Am practicing here and upload my video with our mistake, with my mistake. I will not cut any part of my mistake, and this is directly upload on my YouTube channel. If I will this upload on my YouTube channel, then when I was become no when I will become a good English speaker, then I will see what was the my past and मैं कैसे पास्ट में था एंड मैं कैसे बोला करता था, तो ये सभी देखूंगा. फ्रेंड्स, if you are a beginner, then you have must try to this method. If you try this method, then you can see and you will see day one is not a good, but one day you will become a very good speaker of English language. So friends, if you follow my rule, then you have become a good English speaker. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.